Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. Thanks for tuning into this episode. This episode is really quick. It's Pico de Gallo. Here you can see I'm already starting off with my mise en place. That to me, that's the start of the show right there. The key lime, such a great flavor. When you prep, you'll see the recipe page at the end. But basically, the most important part of your pico de gallo, it should be equal portions of diced tomato to your onion. I've tried this with a few different onions, but for me, the red onion is by far the best flavor for the pico de gallo. Take your seasonings, mix them in. Don't be bashful, but just go slow, and you can always keep building during QC, your quality control check. You can adjust it at the final in the end. Basically, I didn't have any jalapeno, so I didn't put it in, but jalapeno can go in here as well, or your favorite spicy chili. Just go ahead and mince it up and throw it right in. Uh, all in all, this video is under 3 minutes. It's basically just the highlights. From start to finish, I think to make fresh pico de gallo for anybody, I mean, it took me probably 15 minutes from start to finish. My one main tip about pico de gallo that I would have to say is I would not make it a day in advance. I would make this the day of, an hour before you plan on using it. I use this recipe for my Chipotle venison quesadillas, but it'd go really good with blackened fish or anything else that is kind of spicy and can stand up to it. This pico de gallo is very strong in flavor and just fresh and delicious. All right, guys, we're coming to the end of the video. As always, please share, like, and subscribe. That would help me out immensely. Thank you very much for tuning into this episode. Please be safe, be well, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.